Actually, I'm not surprised kung what transpired during the elections because, as I stated earlier, ang the administration is against us. This is very clear, no? Bago ra gani may nagtinubagay anak nila. But I think ang mga when Marantano was here, if he's still here, he did okay. He did everything that he could to be fair. So I wish him luck in his career and more power to him.
So, yung replacement niya, may had ka pa ba doon?
That's impossible. They will never allow it. Kung maalala nyo, last year, they changed three city directors in 2 days without my consultation. And under the law, the city mayor should, be allowed to choose kung sino yung city director niya. And probably that won't happen. Like I said, that is because of politics. And this administration is against our family name.
Meron siyang shortlist recommended na 3 tao.
I am not expecting it.
Pero pinakita niya sa inyo.
No. Wala. So, let them do whatever they want. At least, kita naman ng mga taga Davao, through the elections of what is happening here. Kasi if they succeeded in sabotaging my term as city mayor, edi sana nasa kanila yung boto, nasa kalaban, Nograles and the others. But the Davaoenos clearly manifested their what they want in the elections, and that is to continue this administration under Rodrigo Roa Duterte as mayor and me as the vice mayor of the city.
Mayor, you are taking over as the president, acting president of PDP. What will happen and...
Well, I will assume the position, of course, because there will be nobody left. So, I will take this opportunity. PDP Laban is open to all, not exclusively to politicians or people in high places. So, kung ordinaryo kang tao and you believe in making a greater country and you have aspirations to, join us in building a country, if you are for federalism, you are welcome to join. So, managhanta dire, kung mas marami tayo, mas okay to.
Are you saying...
But I haven't talked to Robin Padilla yet. I do not know the details because this happened without me knowing. But it's okay. It's okay. Yeah.
Wala nang problema with Senator Robin Padilla?
I don't think so. We're very good friends. In fact, kung saan man siya, kung ano man desisyon niya sa kanyang politika, nandyan ako. Because 2016, magkasama kami sa Hong Kong and he supported the presidency of my father. So, I will always be loyal to Robin Padilla. And I will go wherever he goes and I will always support him.
Mayor, going back to you've mentioned federalism. Can you say that the PDP is working on it?
It's one of PDP's thrust actually, but not really that alone. But I'd like to give emphasis to this. Kasi ngayon, that is why all of this is happening. Kaya the national government has too much power because of too much centralization eh. That's why they have control of the police, 'di ba? Kahit ako dapat pumili ng city director, sila nag-aano kasi hawak nila yung police. Yung presidente lang makakautos talaga ng chief PNP. Siya naglalagay. So, if we devolve the powers and functions of government down to the local government units, then I think we can govern ourselves better. Kaya nga, may problema tayo ngayon sa, I think, in how we view governance dahil dyan. Because malayo yung national government. It's in Malacanang. It's a 2-hour plane ride from Davao City. And I'm sure they do not know kung ano yung gusto talaga ng mga tao dito, ano talaga yung, what is the culture, and how we identify ourselves as Davaoenos. Hindi nila alam yan. So that's why they introduced candidates and they backed them heavily, this recent elections, and yet they got wiped out sila. So that's why. So I think it would be good for the country, so that like provinces and like us, like Davao City, can govern ourselves better.
Mayor,
Sige.
sa recent results sa election, daghan nag-aay na lilipat sa PDP. So parang naabakay as president criteria kung kinsa ang possible na pwede niyo dawaton na mobalhin sa PDP in preparation para sa 2028 elections.
Mobalhin sa PDP, you mean?
From other party, Mayor, na mo...
Like I said, PDP, I think, bisag janitor ka, pwede ka mo-apil og PDP. Bisag pag basurero ka, o bisag pag bilyonaryo ka. Ang core principle ng PDP is to gather everyone who wants, to transform the country. Not really in a revolutionary way, but slightly revolutionary way. Kaya medyo the system of government gikan ba ni sa mga Amerikano kaniadto pa kaayo. And I think it doesn't suit us anymore. Before, the Philippines, gamay pa kayong tao dire, the population mapatay na abot og 100 million. Karon, kung naka-presidente ka, you're sitting in Malacanang, how will you know? Kung unsa how life runs in the provinces, in the other cities na layo sa mga. It's just not applicable, to me at least, it's not applicable anymore.
So, as early as now, Mayor, na pag-istoryahan na ba ninyo sa PDP ang...
Wala pa, bago lang naging iba, wag yung kabalo lagi siya na. Pero, dili na problema. I respect Robin Padilla's decision. I fully support him. Then, I will assume the position as acting president of PDP Laban. No problem for me at all. We'll talk about it. I will give you updates maybe when I gather the members.